Hello, my name is Ryan Brothers, Field CTO and Solutions Architect over here at IOTech Systems. And today in this short video, we will be going over how to utilize Edge Central and the built-in OPC UA server and OPC UA browser that ships natively with Edge Central. So let's get right into it. All right, so over here on my terminal, we can see that I have a fresh install of Edge Central, version 3.1.2. and I have nothing running, okay? And if we look at our Docker Compose override file, we can see that we're gonna stand up the device BACNET IP service with a few discovery properties, 3 BACNET simulators, and our OPC UA browser. All right, so I have the command right here, Edge Central up, and we're going to stand up our BACNET service, the 3 BACNET simulators, our OPC UA server, our OPC UA browser, and our central UI. So let's go ahead and hit enter. All right, just to make sure everything's up. All right, we are up and running. So now, there we go. Edge Central is up and running. And now you can see that we have our 3 BACNET device simulators and our device profile for those simulators. So now if we go and look here, we have our OPC UA server. It's been started. And then we have our OPC UA browser, which is on port 8080. So let's go there. All right, just to make sure, refresh. All right, and this is it. This is our OPC UA browser. And we're not connected to anything yet. You can see it's disconnected. So we need to put this URL in here. And this is the format, opc.tcp://OPC UA server :4840. So let's go ahead and connect. And since we stood it up with no security, it's in anonymous mode, so we can save and connect there. And all right, now we are connected. All right, so now that we are connected, we can start looking around a little bit. So we can go to objects, XRT instances, device BACNET IP, device services, and then we can get to our devices. Cool, so now we can see all 3 of our BACNET simulators. Now we can get into the resources, read values, and we can even set these values, successfully wrote. And yeah, we have a nice tree-like structure to get values and set values. All right, another powerful feature of the OPC UA server that ships with Edge Central and Edge Connect is you can use any OPC UA client to connect to that server. So this is OPC UA, this is UA Expert from Unified Automation. This is a free download. So let's go to Add Server. I'm going to leave that at default, go to advanced, and you can see here is the same URL structure, the IP of my Edge Central box, and then 4840. I'm going to click OK, right click on that and connect, and here you can see that same tree-like structure that we have in our OPC UA browser. This is just an external client. So now we can go into devices and we can start reading those resources. So influx value 500, that's the one we set. And yeah, so that is another powerful feature. And as you can see, you can normalize Modbus, BACNET, S7 into a single protocol and only have to worry about the OPC UA side. So that is the introduction to the OPC UA server and OPC UA browser that ships with Edge Central. Thank you for listening.